Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the Roku Ultra 4802R, which can stream up to 4K, supposedly. This is the main Roku unit. It's a cute little thing, isn't it? It has all kinds of sensors on it. On the back it has a USB port, an HDMI port, a data port, and a place to plug in the power supply. There's a little packet in here that says, "Let's get you streaming." And inside of that is your quick start guide. You will also find the remote control, which is supposedly rechargeable. It has a voice control on-off switch and an audio output for your headphones. And on the other side is your volume control. In the accessories portion of the box, you will have two cables, one of which is an HDMI to HDMI cable to hook up to your TV, and the other is a USB cable to charge up your remote control. Also included in that accessory kit is your power supply, which is the power brick that plugs right into the back of your Roku. You also get some spare covers for your earplugs and some in-ear headphones if you don't happen to have any you prefer to use. That is nice. And that looks like about it. Let's get this all together and see if we can't hook it up to the TV. With a lot of help from this handy dandy quick setup guide. Oh yeah. First we get the HDMI cable and we plug it into the HDMI out on the Roku device. Find an extra HDMI cable on the back of your TV. Plug one end of the included power cable into the back of the Roku device. And of course plug the other end into an open electrical socket. Plug the big end of the USB cable into the back of the Roku device. Just go ahead and plug the USB cable to the bottom and it'll start charging. You see the green light down below. Once that stops blinking, you are fully charged. If you ever want to hear the Roku through the TV, but you want to hear it privately, just plug in some sort of a headphone device into the headphone out jack. And now for the fun part. Let's start setting this puppy up. Okay, after you plug in the Roku, you go ahead and try to find the input. There we go. Then you take your remote and you press the back button for 5 seconds. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be pairing. Let's go. Your English selection, language selection. Go ahead and press the OK button. And I'm going to set up a wireless. You can also do wired if you wish. Looking for wireless networks. And you go ahead and select your network. You put in your password. I'll do that offline. After you press connect, it goes through the wireless connection, checks to make sure that's good. Then it will check the internet connection. Once that's good, you are connected. Now your Roku player will get the latest software. So go ahead and hit OK on your remote. This would normally take a while. So sit back and relax. Then it will restart. Press OK to continue. Your Roku remote can control the power and volume of your TV. Ooh. So check the remote settings. Yes, I happen to have a Samsung TV. It'll play some music. If you can hear it, yes. If no, then it'll go through some other information to try to get it to play. But yes, you do hear the music. Okay, did you hear the music? Yes. Remember to put your, okay, is the music still playing? Yes. Your Roku remote is now set up to control this TV and power. Ooh, nice. Press OK to continue. And then you're to sign in. If you have not already set up a Roku in the past, then you can go through and activate with a QR code and all that stuff. But we do happen to have a previous Roku, so we're going to go ahead and enter our email address that is accompanied by the Roku. We're going to do this, of course, off camera. And once we're done, we will go down and press continue. Then you have to check your inbox. You have a confirmation email that you must activate within the next 30 minutes. And when you do the activation, it will ask what the device name is, which of course Roku Ultra, and the location of the Roku device. Then you have to hit that you have read and agreed the Roku product's term of use, press continue, and then you should soon see your screen automatically update. But before that happens, it does ask if you are currently subscribed to any type of subscription service like Netflix or Prime Video, those kind of things, or Disney Plus. You just go through, click on the ones that you do have subscription to, and it will automatically send it to your screen once it activates. Now, of course, you can always select things afterwards, as you could in the past. And there we go. All done. Then you move the right arrow on your remote control.
Let's get you streaming. Here's a quick tour of your new Roku player.
It then goes through a series of features located on your remote. Just go through all that.
And that's it. Happy streaming.
And there we go. We are all set up and ready to go. Well, I truly hope that helped. And as always, have a great day.